video does not justice.
Back up.
You have to start going up early. No, back up. Dude, that's scary, dude.
Way up here when you were flattening out. Yeah, your tire was in here when you did it.
Yeah, just start going up that direction. If you as soon as you get your front tires crested,
back out of it.
Yeah, because it's just.
You might be able to drive it this way a lot easier.
Oh yeah, that's the way I went though.
No, you came right up this. Your tire was right in
No,
here.
I was right here, dude.
No, your tire was right here.
Oh.
It fell right in here. Show you the pictures.
I'll show you the pictures. All right.
I think you can
I got you.
straight up like this.
I tried. I was lined for it, and then it
No, that way. Back up a little bit.
Go hoppy hop.
That back one probably.
Alright, now go that way. Go forward. Straight right there.
You could probably crest this ridge here if you wanted to.
Be a little scary though if you slip off.
Yeah, that would be very scary.